Hi guys, so Musa Kaula posted this video of Kelly Khumalo, and the caption was Kelly Khumalo says she has had enough of her name being dragged through the mud over the years. So this is the video of her unprovoked. This is what she said.
Enough is enough. It stops here. And it stops today. I'm not going to be diplomatic about this. I'm not going to release press statements. I am not going to waste my money hiring lawyers to speak on my behalf. Udoti nje udoti. If you strongly believe that I am capable of what you're accusing me of, very simple. Come and get me. It's that simple. I'm not above the law. But I think I'm at the point where I am enough of you people dragging my name through the mud. It stops now. These stupid humiliation rituals that you've been performing ngami over the years. Enough. If you feel that I am the woman that you are coming after, simple. Come and get me. Akekho umuntu engimesabayo. Till then, back off. Back off.
Well, guys, people came for her. This one said she will only rest when she tells people what truly happened on that day. The truth will set her free. What if she doesn't know the truth, guys? No, I'm just saying. She must tell us what happened on that fateful day. What if she doesn't know for real, for real? We are not her friends. She doesn't get to tell us what we think of her. She knows the truth and has been hiding it for years. This one must tell us who shot Senzo Meyiwa. Utadi attention nje for Nix. We just need an answer. Who killed Senzo Meyiwa? Her and Kanyimba need to stop dragging themselves through bleach. Eish. Kelly uthini? Uphi umbulali tu? Kodwa guys ukubuya amazi ngabe sonke lesikhathi uthule. This one said, okay, she must send location, then so we come and get her. She's bored and busy as a country. The only time we'll give her the attention is when she's ready to speak the truth and the truth only. Guys, it's been how many years now? Like seriously, like honestly, like abantu millions abaneyimali, they are getting arrested. Like, so if Kelly Khumalo guys are guilty ngempela, like then what's stopping them ukuthi bambophe? If she's really guilty akaboshwa ngani? Come on guys, come on. I think it's time we just leave her alone, you know? Like iphela nini lento, like it's fine now. And maybe umuntu wabulala uSenzo Meyiwa kwayena mhlawumbe usayishonela. So kuyozuphele iminyaka emingaki? 50 years. Yo Othi lo kahle sengathi ubambekile. Awume kancane ngokunye ngomlomo. Usheshe uphendule ukuthi who killed Senzo Meyiwa. Then maybe the so-called rituals performed on your name will stop. Hey, Minanje, I don't want to comment on this thing anymore because I'm tired. Like it's been so many years, guys. But what I don't understand, Uguti, why is she making this video? Because no one said anything. Like unprovoked, nje boom. Kelly Khumalo. Hey, asas, guys, asas. Anyway, the same speech every year. Can she just go to jail if she's guilty? Hayi ke shuthi akekho guilty ngoba kuba guilty ngabe uphakathi ejele. Yini evimbile if a guilty? Come on. Hey, the least she can do is tell everyone who pulled the trigger. Eish. She's probably about to release a song. Girl just know how to stir up the pot amazingly. People fall for it each time. I would like to believe these comments because, guys, who said anything about Kelly Khumalo? Like, some of us, Kelly Khumalo. Not like that, phela nawe how. But nje akekho nje umuntu ade khuluma Kelly Khumalo and then boom and then yeah sheme uzorelease lo ufuna ukutrenda and siyamtrendisa ke. Usile uKelly Khumalo, like she's very smart. Because like honestly no one akekho nje umuntu okakhuluma Kelly Khumalo, akekho nje umuntu okakhuluma indaba yaSenzo Meyiwe. Uyena nje ovela wathi boom. What a smart woman. She can't even say Senzo's name. Guilty, guilty, guilty. She's trying too hard to be relevant. Some of us have forgotten about her. Ngeke sizwe ngawe ngoba umbuzo usamile. Ngubani owabulala uSenzo? Yo. Hayi ke sana. She must go to Madlanga Commission and tell all this. As for now, she remains a prime suspect. The scene is still active. We just want to know what happened to Senzo. What happened that night? As his girlfriend, wouldn't she want justice for him? No one is talking about her, Moss. Or she's sensing something will come. And no one is talking about her, like no one. Asazwe Kelly wenowazi. She's as fake as that filter she's using to record this video. Hey guys. Simple. She must come and tell us what happened that day so our brother can rest in peace. Spoken like a woman who just got reassurance that nothing will happen to her. Uthi nje lo kodwa ngabe kade waphuma naye. Usho ukuthi kufuna ukuthini? Usho ukuthi kube wavuma ukuthi uyena wabulala uSenzo Meyiwe ngabe usabosha waphuma. What are you saying, bro? Yo, same thing every day. Sikhathele and sikhathele shem. Sikhathele nje lokho ngempela nje indaba yakhe elikhuluma lo Senzo Meyiwe. Hayibo, angisafunda isikole. Like what's going on? We are tired. It's been how many years now? Angifuni nokubala but we are tired, shame. Njalo nje nokhuluma lemfuna ukushayela uzovela uvusela indaba yaSenzo Meyiwe. You are guys. Kodwa guys, asibuye kanje lento le. If kuukuthi uKelly Khumalo uguilty ngempela, akaboshwa ngani pho? Nifuna ukuthini? Nifuna ukuthi mhlambe hayi unenyanga strong or wakhokhela bani kanjani unemali blah blah blah. Guys, inyanga enjani le strong ngalendlela ukuthi umuntu angaboshwa eguilty. Imali engakanani le ayikhokha yenza ukuthi angaboshwa ngecala elikhulu kangaka. Nabo abantu bayaboshwa, abantu abanama millions emabank, like so much money, abantu abama millionaires bayaboshwa, imali zabo azibasebenzeli. Mina nje personally I don't think uKelly Khumalo ukuthi guilty ngoba kuba guilty ngabe kade aboshwa. Come on guys. But anyway, that's just my opinion. Don't come for me. That's it for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't be scared to share your thoughts under the comments and I'll see you guys on my next one.